Okay, count two here, from here.
1, 2. Science class.
Hey kids, how are you today?
It's so boring. Let's go out. Yes. Let's go.
Oh, wait. What to do? Idea. Who wants to play this board game?
Me.
Do you want to play this game?
Yes.
Okay, this game is based on the life cycle of butterfly.
Yes.
Okay, so who's gonna be first? Okay, come.
6.
6. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What is this?
Pupa.
Pupa. Very good. Tap. Okay, Manta. What's the number? 2. Okay, count 2 here, from here.
1, 2.
Okay, tell me first stage of life cycle of butterfly.
Butterfly.
Okay, butterfly is the first stage. Yes, clap yourself. Now, Kanza, your turn.
6.
Again 6. Okay, count.
From here.
Not.
There.
Yes.
1, 2, 3,
Hmm.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, now this is empty. No questions. Sequence of life cycle of butterfly.
Okay. Butterfly. Eggs. Caterpillar. Pupa.
Very good. Now, okay, this is empty and I ask the question of my choice. Okay, Kanza, tell me the fourth stage of the life cycle of butterfly.
Okay. Butterfly. Eggs. Caterpillar. Pupa. Pupa.
Yes, pupa. Very good.
1, 2.
How many stages are there in the life cycle?
4.
4. Very good. Now Kanza's turn. Yes, 1. And the Kanza wins. Now, so much fun.
Yeah.
Okay, moving to the next game.
Yeah.
So in this game, you have to arrange these cards into sequence. Okay.
So cute card.
Okay, who's gonna be first?
Me.
Okay, Manta.
Butterfly is
Very good. What is this?
pupa.
Okay. Oh.
X.
Okay. Okay.
Caterpillar.
Okay. Clap. Tell me first.
Butterfly, egg, caterpillar, pupa.
Very good.
Mine.
Okay, Kanza, your turn.
Pupa.
Yes.
Oh.
What is this?
X.
X, very good.
Caterpillar.
Very good. Now in this game also Kanza is winner. Because Kanza Munta told the one wrong answer. Okay?
Munta told me the first one.
Okay. Now moving toward the next.
Yes.
Okay, Kanza. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Well, okay, one more chance.
It's I don't promise.
Yeah. Hard.
Okay. The egg.
Eggs. Okay. Which stage?
The
Second stage.
Go.
pupa.
Pupa. Fourth. Very good. Okay.
My turn. Caterpillar. 3.
Yes. Third stage. Very good. Kanza. Chalo, hit. Okay, open.
Butterfly first.
Yeah, very good. In this game, Munta is winner. Okay, Munta is winner in this game, but overall, Kanza is winner. So now, science is no more boring.
No.
It's lots of fun.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So you learn life cycle of butterfly with Kanza and Muntaha.
So